Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Caddy Maxi. This vehicle features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine producing 122 PS. Accompanying this is a smooth DSG automatic transmission. This example comes finished in the lovely deep black pearlescent paint colour. And taking a look at some more of the exterior features, up front we'll find a set of LED headlights with LED daytime driving lights. The Caddy features a more aggressive look thanks to the front splitter. In the front bumper we'll find a set of front parking sensors, and the vehicle sits on a set of 19-inch Velare alloy wheels finished in a bronze colour. Moving towards the rear of the vehicle, we'll find a tailgate with a heated rear window, and the Caddy also features LED rear combination lamps. Further helping you park and manoeuvre, we'll find a rear view camera as well as a set of rear parking sensors. Opening up the tailgate and taking a look into the load area of the vehicle, there is a large amount of storage space and multiple load lashing rings can be found dotted across the load area floor. Access into the load area can be found on either side of the vehicle thanks to the twin sliding door option. The bulkhead consists of a mesh window in the middle, and on either side behind the sliding doors we'll find a step for easy access. Up in the driver's cab area we'll find two singular sports style front seats complete with an armrest as well as a heated function, and in the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system that allows you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. The system also comes with inbuilt navigation, and throughout the centre console we'll find a variety of different charging points as well as a few cup holders. For the driver there is a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel complete with bronze contrast stitching, and the driver also has access to a Volkswagen digital cockpit system. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Caddy Maxi Life. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.